Very nice.
Yep.
You nuts. Good morning.
Come on.
Good morning.
AM Dizzle.
I know.
It's Dizzling.
It hit 215. It's crazy.
Reached down a little bit after its big day yesterday. See if that wants to continue. Circle's up 1%, coin up 1%, Google, everything else is either up or down under 1%.
Why is everyone saying X is down? I'm having no issues.
I've been having issues. Not that it's like 100% down, but like it doesn't load a bunch of times.
Oh yeah, now
like
I'm
my
seeing the
40
loading
page
issue.
loading.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Like obviously I'm on the space, like it's working, but posts aren't loading.
Let me check. I haven't even checked.
Yeah,
to
it
see
just
it.
happened to me, but my friends have been telling me that for
Morning,
the
guys.
past like
What's
20 minutes. Morning.
Good morning.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, mine says posts aren't loading
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
So my X is also down for posts, but spaces is 455.
Let's go.
Tuesday.
3 minutes till open. See what this market wants to give us.
Oh, they want to give us a drop here right before they open.
We took out previous session highs on both assets.
Yeah, big rejection here, 26K. I think this is what we've typically seen on CPIs, but we possibly could see a pullback going into the CPI open here, 911.25. I just think there's a strong bid down there, especially near that 900. You can see that was the golden zone from previous day low to previous day high yesterday.
Yep.
So be on the lookout there, but maybe a good short scalp going into that. I want to see if CBC flips short so I can hop in. Gold looks pretty good for the long though. I like a push up to previous day high, 640, especially if NQ is going to sell.
Yeah, she's right here now in the pre-market, so let's see how we open.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching this 15-minute gap to open 944.50 to 908. For respecting that, I want to see higher.
Less than a minute.
Oh, a knifer candle right here to start off after the pop. Right back down. IWM is stronger. Q's is weaker. SPY is kind of in the middle because Q's is well below previous day high. IWM is above previous day high. And SPY is like kind of right there in the middle. So you got a little bit of divergence just across the board with the three in reference to previous day's price action. But
I'm going to take MNQ short here, 3-minute CBC risk.
oh, he said he going short right out of the gate.
Taking 15-minute lows.
Oracle flip green into the bell. That's one I'm watching for a swing breakout.
Yeah. Oracle. He said F. Michael Burry. Q's relative weakness, nasty candle right out of the gate. You got volume point of control here on the 5-minute for SPY and ES. There's your 21 EMA on the 5-minute for IWM on the dip. So watch those two still holding nice.
Someone needs to come in and get a bell. We need a ding, 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 ding. Trump just put out another Truth Social saying that Powell's two rates. I don't know if he's allowed to do that now.
Mm.
Kidding.
They hit 50% of The range from
AMD
Asia low to the
is
high we just made.
mooning.
Is it, oh my
Mooning.
goodness, AMD is almost at 220.
I'm sure that 970s.
Oh, that's insane.
So into the
both
morning,
your-
we tapped into 15-minute order flow until we run through this. And I have no reason to go down yet.
Both your internals opened up positive.
There you go.
Vol D and Vol DQ.
Short a green 10-minute candle. Stop is in profit at a green candle. I mean, shorted the red.
Hey, nice. Good job, Joe.
Whatever the colors are, you know what I mean. I'm short. There we go. There was stop and profit right there. Nice little scalp. Came right into that algo level at a big spot on the profile, so it was great risk to reward for me.
What's Unity doing? Do I even want to know? Oh no, Unity.
LEU is pumping at the open. My guess is Soldier Boy is also pumping.
Soldier
LEU is up
Boy.
7% now. It was up 2% in pre-market.
Soldier Boy, tell them. Yeah, up a percent.
Oh, LEU's flying. I bet you Energy Fuel's gonna move higher then, or what? Mine's gonna move lower. I got a notification TMDX up 5%. I don't know if anyone's trading that one.
And no.
MasterCard 550 below previous day low. Yucky.
Give me VWAP NQ. London Orb highs 924.50.
Holding this.
Big pop right on volume point of control again for SPY.
Yeah, we're not running through this 15-minute gap to the downside, which means they can't be bearish yet.
Oracle clearing previous day high.
Yes, Oracle. Woo. We want 215, 220.
I'm still in these RBRKs. The spread is wide, but I could get filled at break even. Contracts haven't really moved.
Oracle. Oracle.
Core Reef's down 2%. ASTS is also down a little bit. Gosh, come on, get that to all-time highs.
Oracle call's about to hit 500 here.
AMD's still cooking. As of now, I mean, sweeping previous 15-minute lows, holding order flow, rebalanced to 50% retracement of the range from overnight to the short-term high we just put in. I'm not seeing many reasons for me to think this thing rugs yet.
AMD is mooning.
Long gold,
AMD's
3-minute
still
EMA rip.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, just over 220 now. Ugh, crazy. It's getting a little brazy out there. Oh yeah, Roblox is on fire.
I was watching that yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Me and Emp pulled this one up. He was like, it looks terrible, but it can start going. And it is indeed going.
Do we have any more data today?
New home sales at 10.
Yeah, 25 minutes. Netflix over previous day high. Yep. Part of me wants to try that MasterCard long right here. But then again, it looks
Deep Post wants us to look at Netflix. What's happening with Netflix this morning?
I just said it's popping over previous day high.
There you go.
Just a little bit.
And then DJ said, is silver still running?
Yes.
Yeah.
Silver up
Yes.
4%. Damn.
I really hope that guy did not short yesterday. Because, ran through, man. Ran through. That's why you need context right there. Exactly why.
Dude, like my biggest flex is that I didn't even try to trade silver. I just stayed in my lane.
Yeah, it's my biggest flex is that I've never tried to short silver.
I did this morning and made like $700.
Hey,
But it was like a quick scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you
after
play like that,
after an overextension, that's all it was.
Yeah.
yeah, that's not the same thing. It's just like betting on this whole thing just unraveling.
Google's still putting in new highs.
Ooh, arm. Nice pop. Previous day high test here.
Damn, A-Lab.
Dude, that was a good one yesterday. That was insane. That was a good move. Crowd strikes popping a little bit.
Yeah, cyber plays Rubik is popping a bit too.
You said rubric?
Yep, RBRK.
Yeah, so I brought this one up yesterday on the weekly. You have a trend line test right here and kind of holding near that 70 psych level. I was looking at it for a potential swing.
I'm in it now. Like you said, that trend line, if you draw a fib from the November low to that earnings pop, we're at the 78%.
Ooh.
So we're bouncing that, and I have an algo level at 7140, so we're above now. So I'm comfy in my loan. The contracts are break even.
OZ and spot.
I'm longest looking for highs.
Say longest.
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 I'm longest.
I am longest.
Stop in.
I say longest and I say not well.
Not swell.
Always.
Because he is not 12.
YM is making new lows. ES is in the middle, and Nasdaq is reaching.
IWM's kind of pulling back now. So now getting the flipping. Qs was a little bit weaker to start. Now it's stronger. IWM was stronger. Is now weaker. SPY is still stuck at previous day high.
Yeah, we're probably going new highs here.
XYZ, give it back a little bit. I would adore new highs here. Oh, he's gonna give it to me, right? Perfectly.
Holy
Right
shit.
there. Right there.
I will be all out at highs, and that'll be a done day. One
Nice
invention. Reason for the trade. I mean, again, into the open, what are we doing? Sweeping previous 15-minute lows, 15-minute order flow, equilibrium of the range. ES did not take out the lows, NQ did, so we had divergence. I got the first inversion that I saw I took, and it's that simple.
Has anyone seen Baba and how it's been just going higher every day?
Baba's ridiculous.
Yeah. Baba crazy. Watch RKLP. A little bit weaker here out of the gate.
Baba.
Can these contracts mark? Like I shouldn't be.
Google fly. I'm about to hit 340.
Fly, baby, fly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are we doing on this wonderful Tuesday?
About to get all out of my lawn for about $1,000.
Nice.
Come on. Sleepy more. I'm gonna look at what spreads to sell. What I'm gonna do there.
Amazon flipping back green.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still lagging a bit. Not quite taking highs that think you are. I said Uber. What was Uber doing? It's up a little bit. Uber's gotten smacked, kind of low key.
Yeah.
Dow's coming in, RTY taking a dip.
Creative touch 120 to the cent.
Hey, let's go.
Six-point gain gold. I sold half. I'm gonna take a ladder long here on another account.
Let's go.
Look at that nasty.
Yeah, they gotta take me
Ooh,
out the
really good
rest.
long
Those
here.
fuckers.
Oh,
Well, I gotta take it out the rest. I'm still looking for that high though. I'll try it again.
I'll do it again.
Damn it, I wanted my full TQ though, not just the
we don't
trend.
even have data yet. What the
I
heck?
know.
I mean, SPY just back tested previous day high, like to the penny, and got rejected. Q's was at pre-market high, but that was a quick and very
That was
volatile
pretty
candle.
lame. That was pretty lame. I just, yeah.
There was no need for that. That was
I didn't.
highly uncalled for.
Yeah. I still got some cheese, but fuckers.
Iran, help is on the way. That's what Trump just said.
Help is on the way, dear.
Yeah, no, that's all I thought about. Help is on
MNQ
the
long
way.
bill breaker.
Help is on the way, dear.
For some reason, I don't think he's sending help.
15-point gain MNQ sold half bill breaker.
Probably not. What other headlines are coming out right now?
Meta is looking to double AI Ray-Ban capacity.
Five-point gain on the ladder. Gold. I sold half.
Or what a slap and a half.
In a big old range right now.
Are you tweeting that, BK?
I might just run this thing to the ground.
Yeah, I'm wording it.
Old. It's lying.
Mark Zuckerberg and Meta plan to double the capacity of its AI Ray-Bans to 20 million units up through 10 million in
Ooh.
2026. Give a nice photo of the release.
Let's see previous day high here. Gold 640.
Yeah, you're right there.
12-point gain gold. I sold a quarter of the initial position.
Yeah. I'm just waiting.
Is X loading for everybody now?
It's
a little bit weird for me.
I
yeah.
never had a problem.
Well, maybe you are the problem.
Oh.
It's
Whoa.
not loaded.
Damn. Maybe I'm just problem counter.
Ooh, silver had a little second.
Let's go, baby.
Silver too, dude. Sorry, cut me off.
No, you're
Dang,
good.
I don't crypto
11-point
as
gain.
much.
11-point gain on the gold ladder. I sold a quarter.
Thank you, Maple.
Thank you, baby.
What's up?
I got a new account this morning. I'm trying to get funded. I'm $300 away now.
Mhm.
Hey, that's how we do it.
I'm not gonna touch NQ right here. It was looking good with ESYM and RTY originally.
Yeah, I mean,
Dragon.
she set up. She got a few ticks from those highs, so I still think those highs can get grabbed. But
Yeah, it's just where do we go before?
I don't love that we did that. There was really no need for it when you're 2 ticks from those highs, but they did it. So
I might just one and done it off that short scalp ahead.
Yeah, here we go, SPY. ES, new lows, IWM breaking it.
Here we are looking weaker.
Yeah.
nothing strange in terms of order flow. So BK.
New highs on gold.
Yeah, she pumped. Indexes are reaching lower.
Yeah, signals and overlays helped me with that long. They've been bullish since 7:45 this morning. Lux Algo signals and overlays on the 3-minute chart. So I picked up long there at 25. I picked up another long there at 30, 31. The signals and overlays was green.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Data in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that data, then see what the market wants to do then. Yeah, spy that area right nowhere.
I agree.
Mid-yawn.
Three-minute EMA trying to hold here for the longs on NQ. I still have my half position. It's a good idea to scale over the bill 26K. It's a big $4 site. Also with SPY so close to all-time high 700, we're going to see some choppy price action.
Silver just broke 89. Crude broke 61. I almost long that damn thing. Whatever.
Still looking weak here. I'm still very surprised we didn't grab those highs on A2 because we didn't on ES either. ES was the weaker asset.
ES is below VWAP and POC, and Q is at VWAP and below POC.
Coming back down into 15 minutes gap, which is where I initially longed out of Nothing's really
Low or
changed.
high. Maybe they want that CPI open 9/11.
I don't like playing it when it's in between POC or VWAP.
Oh, me too. I hate trading near VWAP. I'm gonna cut the other half here. I'm in.
Yeah, see if we bounce off of it. I don't really know the position. I don't care if we do or don't. Someone asked about APCO. Does anybody have that on?
Oh, I just actually looked at that a second ago.
It's looking pretty decent on the day, honestly.
Yes, above the 9 and 21. Right under the 50. Today, maybe nothing. Wow, that's like a legit barcode since that CPI print. Definitely something to watch, though.
Even Q's though. I mean, NQ is just we're still inside that
Yeah.
range in the first 10 minutes.
Fowler on ticker PEP, Pepsi, for upside. Gonna be probably one of the names that are going to be flying while you get back and forth price action. Spying Q's looking decent here.
Still holding 15 minute. Back down to that 50% increase into the range.
Ooh, ran out of the open.
Who gave? Tesla ain't doing nothing. Sideways. Meta, new low a day.
Pull up skirt sideways.
It's looking pretty rough there. Netflix having a decent day. Costco. Inside day taking a dip, but I bet it sets up to go back to those highs. Looks good. COTG at 2x leverage Costco. Anybody that's trading that?
I'm in Q short 3 minute.
Meg. Yeah, we're just stuck in this little range right now. Still holding bigger time frame.
I will wait till they break 930 or 45. 26,045.
On a 30-minute, this looks not nice. So many upper wicks.
If we run through that 908, I can get bearish.
The most likely target I have today on ES is 7,050. But that doesn't mean that we have to go up. It's a moving target. As we move lower, the probability will get smaller.
Yes, once the CPI opening price.
Check Boeing because Delta
reported
today, and that's making a new local high.
Yeah, Boeing's been on the move.
Went to take gap down and filled it. Interesting.
Took another ladder long on gold. 3-minute EMA RIT.
You know, basically just ranging a bit. Right about the
Palantir.
price.
Palantir looks like it's making a run for it.
Oh,
Break it away.
And it's going up. It's going up.
yeah, it's an inside day so far on Palantir. I could get to yesterday's high.
Lockheed Martin at 560 is wild.
Dude, I remember when we were talking about it after that earnings report.
Yes, exactly, Joe. We were talking about it at 450.
My average is 419.
God bless America.
Amen, brother. It's been the only one of like the big defense names that has had entries.
4-point gain on the gold ladder. The second one, I sold half.
If you watch the defense contracts, the amount of contracts Lockheed is awarded, it's insane. I mean, a lot of small contracts, but they're getting money more days than not from the Department of War.
Yeah.
Honestly, some of the strongest markets, like by looking at the charts, is I think that Saab is one of the best ones. I don't own it. You'd have to go through the OTC or the European exchange, but that share price has been cooking.
Oh, wow, dude. I got a slight bias because I like American defense technology, but great stock.
Got data in 1 minute.
Damn right.
Yeah.
I'm currently short the Qs for a small day trade here on this backtest rejection, sitting the volume point of control, just looking for the breakdown, but we have 60 seconds till that data comes out. So a little bit higher risk of being a trade going through this. So
New home sales.
Eight-point gain on the most recent gold ladder. I sold a quarter. I got 3 gold positions on. This is nuts.
Let's go.
gold on a tear. eBay 94. Let's go.
$15-point gain M and Q, covered half.
Intel 46.
Oh, come on.
Closer to 47. Wow. This is at almost half just a gap. Yeah, this is almost a big half gap for Intel.
All right, here comes data. Oh, trimming. Oh, there we go. Fill the order.
There you go. Add an algo level and VWAP right there at 942s, 943s.
Fill my order. Thank you. All
High,
right, filled,
924.
trim.
CBC flip short. Concern though is 10-minute 20 and VWAP.
I'm still gonna sit here and wait a few minutes. Good morning.
Oh, don't take out the rest. Don't take out the rest, you piece of shit.
Flat positions here. GG.
New home sales units actual 737,000, forecast 715, previous 800. Change month over month is minus 0.1%. Forecast was minus 10%. Previous was plus 20%.
I mean, I think you're going to start seeing people front running the new Fed chair and lower rates.
I think that'll show up in the tilts and TLT and in the yen.
City. Guess so.
I sold my RBRK break even. The contracts didn't expand when it did move up, and chart is being a little slow, so I didn't win, I didn't lose. Just pay to play.
Taking out lows. See if they run through 15-minute gap.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yuck.
QQQ.
Yuck.
US London and Asia still left alone. Could go hit those.
There's your knife.
Daggum, son. Those QQQ puts, they just hit 415. What the fuck? Insane.
And the membrane.
Insane in the membrane.
Insane in the brain.
Yes, it's taking out all overnight lows. TY is still drilling. Same with Dow.
365 to 420 on the QQQ puts. Let's go. Nice job. $40 for a contract gain. Let's go. Nice work, guys. Who's playing with a switchblade?
I thought it was a lighter.
It's a fake butterfly knife.
Butterfly knife. It's what assassins use as a fidget toy.
There we go. Got a nice weapon.
Spy ES definitely much weaker than the Q. It was a better short over on Spy. I even said it before I took the trade on Q. I was like, I don't know why I'm gonna take this QQQ short, but I think it's because Spy was already underneath volume point of control and was extended from the lower time frame EMAs. QQQ had just started to close underneath a bit, but nice short there overall. Small gains for a day trade. Nothing too crazy.
Good stuff.
Yes. Spicy off the lows.
Yeah, that was a nice bounce. I'm gonna go put spread.
Still like upside on NQ if you're holding that 908. We haven't run through that gap yet. If we do, my thoughts change. actually now an hourly gap. Well, I didn't realize that. Previous hourly lows.
We just had a 60-point bounce there.
You know, casual.
I started up.
Too, since NQ didn't take the high. If we do get ripping, that's where we go.
I started up put spread, by the way.
So,
Holy Intel's going to 50.
oh boy.
Oh boy.
This is a coker, man.
I still think we can go
Yeah, still looking weak.
a little bit lower. Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Like 692 on SPY.
I'm just not bearish. I am.
Let me see.
Until order flow changes.
30-minute. Oh, that looks like a freaking evening star. Real righty. State cues.
Could grab that midnight open real quick. It's just below us for a new low day. 886.
Yeah, they tagged basically right at that 830, the start, or at really the 825, the low of that candle almost. So they retook all of CPI, which usually happens most of the time.
Yeah, I see, like, I don't know, this big lower wick concerns me. It shouldn't, though. I mean, CBC is still bearish. Price will view off lower time frame EMA is rejecting, but I think if we can clear where we wick off of that London orb low 900, we clear that. I think we see 10-minute 200 EMA, high probability at 878. I did a scale a quarter position at 50 points. I have the remainder for the lower low under 886. Gold, possibly a good long here off 10-minute EMAs. I think it needs another 10-minute candle, maybe closer to the 20 EMA or below 620s. See if they short green, cover red here on NQ, 10-minute.
Is weak. Amazon's weak. Google's trying to pop. Microsoft doesn't look good. Meta doesn't look good. A lot of our big dogs just looking like crap. So, not great.
Yeah, I got nothing right now on the indexes. I'm just waiting.
There you go, short green, cover red. Bill breaker at 900.
All right, well, this started exciting.
Yeah, right. Right at the open was good. So session so far has just been shitty. Still have this hourly gap again, unless we run through it. I'm still bullish. I'm not going to know that till the hour closes. If we do inverse this, though, that London Asia low, I think, will come pretty quick. Gold came in a little bit too. That slow looks better than the market, I guess, right now.
You know what doesn't look bad is Bitcoin had a pretty clean retest on the daily of the 90K and held.
There's bill breaker. Market gives you scales under the bill, you take it or you get punished.
Gotta hit midnight. EV's killing it on Nike this morning. Let's go. Ripping.
And we're gonna make a new low here.
I agree.
10-minute 200s right at 878.
Couple ticks from midnight open. There it is. See if they want to take London and Asia.
Yeah, London low isn't below Asia, so I'm not very inclined to long at it. Not very inclined to long at any level. I'm inclined to see what happens at them.
So today, to me, it seems like one of those situations where market doesn't look great, but I don't see it dying.
Yeah, you can from the macro perspective, like if the inflation report, at least like the headline numbers, nothing to run home and tell the whole town about. So
Another reason why I did a put spread is because we didn't gap up on CPI. If we gapped up on CPI, I wouldn't be in a put spread. Again, I know the market itself kind of looks shitty. Individuals kind of look shitty, but I just don't see us dropping below. Also, the NDX that I got is 200 points under even yesterday's low on NDX. So
Here we go. That 10-minute 200 EMA magnet coming in. If you guys haven't scaled already, I would trail a stop loss as well for the listeners.
very possible we get to the overnight lows at 842, 844. I longed that last night. I'd probably long it again. It's another 40 to 50 points down.
Let's go. Give me my hundo.
I'm gonna trim some here on the short.
Very nice.
Good stuff.
Let's go, KC.
Appreciate it, guys. Internals have flipped on Vol D for SPY. Vol D Q's hit the zero line, but your VIX is ripping. Tick also went underneath the zero line. There's a lot of confluence there for another leg down.
100-point gain. MNQ sold down to the or covered down to the runners. GG no re. Beautiful
Let's go.
short.
No re, baby. No freaking re.
No re.
Come on, I want to hit that 840, 845 where we did it last night. That would be like the most ideal situation.
Are we at London or breaking it?
That's a Jordan question, to be honest.
What is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're right now.
What?
We're at London.
Yeah.
I didn't know if we were at it or going through it.
No, we tapped it.
Love that.
Ooh, path is getting decimated today. Not like yesterday where it was ripping. Ripping and dripping, baby.
It's not.
Dude, I paper handed those QQQ puts, so then I had to flip and get into SPY. Those QQQs about to be like $100 a contract. That's insane. There you go. Sell this puppy.
There's lower.
Bang.
All right, let's see pre-market low. Let's get a KC. 846. But right now, it really looks like 70s, 80s fail, so that should bring us to 20s, 30s. Boom. There it is. Goodbye.
Damn, shouty.
Okay, I got long there at 842.
Damn, good look at it. Yeah. What?
Yes.
Why is Nosh trying to hold this market up by himself?
That's where I wanted to long. Hell, even if it's for a scalp, that's where I wanted to long.
All right,
I like this
my
area.
stop is at entry now.
Come on. Come on. Come on, play nice in the sandbox.
Clean nice in the sandbox.
Damn right.
You heard me. You heard me, boy.
Come on, show me the 60s. I ain't here to play. Yeah, I'll trim me. I trim me.
I'm gonna make him trim.
I trim me. That was my first target right there. 620. Wow, 620. 863. Okay, stop and profit at 850s.
Noise.
See you later, alligator.
Is that full target on QQQ?
Yes, it is.
I
Don't lie
mean-
to them. You know it is. It's over.
No,
Hang it up.
I think that is a target. I still think SPY can see previous month high, which is just underneath 692. It's going to put it at 691.66. I think Qs can drop another dollar closer underneath 624.
Never.
I think we should. I gave myself room to add on the SPY short because I was surprised that we have continued just selling. If we did a pop back up to 694.50 area, but 30-minute chart on both of these flipped bearish, and we're showing a squeeze to the downside. And the move that we're seeing right here, this is not a 30-minute. I would say squeeze. I mean, it could be. It's usually a little bit larger than this. I think we see one more leg down personally.
Never. We're only going higher. 27,000 today. You see, look. You see, I told you only going higher.
Yeah, baby, come on.
I said only going higher.
25,818 is the daily level I have next.
Here we go.
They are in the 20s and 30s now. It's 130 points for me on the runners. We'll see if we can get bill breaker 25.8.
I have no interest in trying to catch this knife right now.
Catch it. I'm just fucking around.
All right, there you go. We're almost at the toilet emoji. We're almost there. Almost there, guys.
Break out the soundboard.
Yeah.
It's almost there. I just got a little Microsoft.
Little micro, huh, babe?
The number that I saw come on the screen for the alert,
She's red right now.
I don't think it would be micro hard. I think it would probably be very Microsoft because the alert was 468.50. And that is a red waterfall. I just checked.
It's a big spot for me on the 4 hour. Took out Asia lows on NQ and ES. You're tapping into big 4 hour bullish order flow here.
Ooh, my tummy just got angry.
I think in terms of bigger time frame, if you're looking to long anywhere, this is actually the spot. Not much structure built down here though. YM hasn't really led up to the downside yet. Tesla finally gave it up. I was just chopping all morning.
Here we go. Get the Billy 800.
She gon' die.
Shawty get down, good Lord. Here we go. Come on, you're almost there. Almost there. Bring it home. Bring it on home. Sit your ass on the toilet seat emoji and take a poop. Let's go. You're almost there. These QQQ puts are at 490 from 360. And I paper handed the shit out of that. And now I'm in SPY up like $50 a contract. But we're still banging. We should get a decent bounce here momentarily, in my opinion. If you look at SPY, the only green candle it had was the opening 930 candle on the 5-minute chart. Every other candle has been red. Like we need to bounce, and it's almost there. SPY 692, almost there. Q's did hit 624, so I wanted to see a little sweep underneath that, but. I mean, if we're going to get a bounce, it should be somewhere down in this zone after this overextension downside.
I actually just went long again. I see a 1030, 1035 reversal.
Yeah. I agree. VIX, it got the huge ripper. I think it just filled this small little gap from, let me see. Oh no, that one's been good. Coming up to 16 right now.
We're about to close. We closed right at that, what's it called, basically?
The 30-minute squeeze has fired. That was it. On SPY at least. And QQQ. So shout out. Everybody loves a good evening star with a squeeze downside.
Oh yeah.
I'll hit that trade every single day of the fucking week. I'll post a chart here momentarily at the top of Spaces to show why I was kind of leaning towards the downside. I placed an order in to see if I get filled.
I want to see a move back into possibly 865, 870, 880. If we get under 820 to 825, it looks a little weaker again, which we're going right now.
831. IWM is already starting a little bouncy ahead, spying cues.
Yeah, that's why I'm also more inclined to take this. It looks like everything's trying to catch a little bit of a green.
Holy MasterCard is dead. There's only one person in the world I trust when they send positions on J&J. And that is Bishop, 100%.
Bish?
I've never seen anybody freaking crush J&J the way that he does when he trades it.
Wait, did you mean to say, you bish?
You bitch.
Yeah, I'm putting my stop and profit.
Yeah, bitch.
Over out. That was very good.
Does everybody still say that?
No.
This came up green for me.
She can actually say fish with an F now. So it's not as fun, but
I stopped and profit right there. I'm flat.
Nice.
And I'm already green, so I really didn't want to take that, but it was nice. I'm trying not to think about the money and just take the good trades, and that was a good setup.
Good. Very good. Sometimes maybe good.
And I had a reason for moving my stop there. I know that you guys aren't judging me, but I'm just talking through it. I have an algo level at 835, so we broke over that, and I put my stop right below that. So I was in profit for my entry, and it made sense with my level.
I just grabbed Path May calls at the $17 strike.
There's your IWM continuation on bouncy bounce. SPY, first green candle right there at the bottom. Very nice.
There we go. Mama.
Noise.
Flip it in reverse.
Okay. Wow, my QQQ calls are not moving though. That's never a good sign.
That vol just isn't expanding.
Yeah, it's not a good sign. They're starting to pick up a little bit now that I look at it.
If you get some demand in it, the VIX is coming down. So you might.
No, pleasure making money with you guys today. Let's do it all.
Ooh, that's an early one.
Yes, sir. I got
Peace out, brother.
things
I
to
keep-
handle today. So
I'll catch you later.
and nail and bail. But I love you guys.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, brother.
Later, Maple.
I'm trimming QQQ calls and I'm taking off some longs on the futures.
Ooh, they smacked Qs.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Qs are holding up. SPY's looking decent.
I'm $100 from a payout.
Yeah.
Gonna get paid all over today.
I just gotta hit consistency
Ooh.
in the minimum days, whatever it is.
So we hit the 3-minute 9, yeah, and the 2-minute 9. And we're rejecting it.
IWM at the back test previous day high.
Yeah, IWM is leading up now.
Mm-hmm.
Good for the barter market. SPY is looking better than Qs now. So IWM and SPY are leading up. Let's see. Let's look at some individuals. Amazon's getting a bounce. Microsoft and Meta are the worst.
Oh, Google gained back a lot.
The Google.
Great googly woogly.
Great. Google and Moogle.
Zeta, I'm going to grab 100 shares here.
And I just got a funded account. Boom. So I ate that dip right there on the Qs after that smack and just grabbed 2 contracts real quick down at freaking 45 and just sold at 65 for 21. Very, very quick. IWM, I'm telling that was look when you see SPY and Qs entering into that zone, kind of stalling and not getting it, but IWM already hit it. It's leading it. Look at this. Absolutely insane.
Bitcoin over pi and previous day high 93.
Oh.
Dag gum. I should have.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I'm all out.
yeah. There's your 5-minute 9 on
I'm all out. I'm all out.
Qs. SPY's back test and 10 a.m. high from yesterday. Also, the pre-market low lines up right there.
Oh my god, they clipped it though. Like real quick. Trump will talk about the economy in Detroit today. Oh God! Don't do it. Powell does not do a very good job.
He's only lowered rates by 1.5%, guys. They should be negative.
Back test rejection, baby. Oh my God. IWM still cruising. Q's got the smack. SPY got tickled a little bit. Not really a smack, but.
Oh wow! I got so far a good entry on Path. Up 15 cents. That's pretty nice.
RTY finally caught a bounce, turned around a bit. YM, which I think NQ can absolutely do. But data says we take out the slow first, so gotta think that happens initially. Getting close. Not yet.
IWM still ripping.
Yeah, they turned around.
Again, SPY is now stronger than Q's. It's actually trying to hold
Run
its
IB.
bounce.
Run IB.
Jordan, did you get a spread yet?
Yeah, I'm in. I sold 617, which
Oh, that's golden. You're probably up on that already, I'm guessing.
a little bit. Not really, actually. Basically, that break even here. I'm up 2 cents.
Okay.
They're at 11 cents. I got them at 13. So, like, but with the one that I bought, like, I got 10 cents on it in total spread.
Mhm.
So,
Do you guys sell put spreads?
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm always mean reversion.
Yeah.
Just works so well. I mean, don't get me wrong. If we were, I would do with the trend, but you just always get the best premiums and the safest contracts doing mean reversion.
Yeah. I'd like to do a put spread. I just would have to see this go a little bit lower before I do it.
Oh, it's possible.
Yeah, I still think we take out this IB low just because data tells me that. Pretty much the only reason. After that, I think we set up to try and rebalance some of these areas. It's taking a while to do it though. ES looks like it's holding up slightly better. Did sell off harder this morning.
We do go back down. I have an order in to sell, put credit spread down there closer to 6,900 on SPX. So if we see any kind of crazy volatility and we do make new lows and break it, I'll see if I can get a fill. If I don't get a fill, then I just don't get to trade today, but that's fine. I'm not trying to force it right now.
Yeah.
I was able to catch this move downside this morning, so far so good.
Damn, IWM is probably going to see highs, to be honest. Is what it's going to do a full V here, it almost looks like. If it,
The outlying strength.
yeah, if it could get above 262.15, I mean, it is free for that high. So I just grabbed 100 shares of Path here as well. Oh yeah, here comes iDubbbz. iDub diggity.
How we doing? Try and pop a little bit. Tesla back a break even.
Ooh,
Oh, they slapped it.
yeah, they just
It's
clawed
ID
that
load
in.
time. It's ID load time. Nail it.
They just clawed that puppy in.
Yoink. That's what they did to my TP this morning. On the long. I had stopped out in profit, so it wasn't bad, but I was like fully certain I was getting that high. With how close we were. And then we just got that candle. It's like, what the fuck happened? That's how it be sometimes, though.
And they got a new low there.
Low taken out.
New low day cues. Not yet on the spoozy woozies.
I won't be surprised if this is to set up for the long now.
Microsoft 460 calls coming in. Big sweep February 6th, 2026. I don't hate Microsoft here for a long at all. You're hitting the lows from November. I mean, chart looks like shit, but risk reward, not a bad spot to look for longs. Day trade for Microsoft. January 23rd calls. Let's see. Why is it so expensive? This is. Oh wait, I'm on puts.
That's a nice bounce.
I'm on puts.
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew this morning.
That could be a little liquidity sweep there.
Yeah, beautiful liquidity sweep so far. ES still didn't take out ID low though, which I know it's supposed to. I can do this with G. But that was a beautiful inversion off.
Day trade these Microsoft 480 calls for next week, January 23rd.
Right.
Okay, so now 480, 450.
Let's see if they can rebalance to this 15-minute high on NQ. That's what I'd be looking for. Nice sweep of the lows. ES never took out the lows. Still can, but you have divergence there. We're in a 4-hour gap. Just got that inversion. Need that to hold.
I'm loaded on put spreads now after that liquidity sweep.
Oh, just forgot I was in those. Let's go. They're at 8 cents. I love when I get busy.
Now let's see us get over 25,700 on NDX. Should happen in a minute or two.
I love when I get busy and forget about those.
I'm busy and dizzy, baby.
Rebalance to 15-minute 881. Only problem I have is yes, is having struggle. It's already fighting lower time frame bearish for value now. But maybe NQ holds up since it already took ID low while ES goes and takes it real quick.
Now we going, baby. We're gonna rip forever and ever.
Forever.
Forever. There we go. There's that 700. Bam.
$881.25. Here it is.
Oh yeah. There we go. It's over. We win.
ID low to right into the 15-minute gap after. Beautiful. Put spread 5 cents. Ah. Yes.
Yeah, no. Put spreads are clean now. They look pretty clean. Barring something happening.
Do what I want now.
All right, I'm going to take my first little trim right here on Microsoft calls for the day trade, 284.
I'm all out of my longs. This can go higher, but rebounds to 15-minute bearish for value. I don't want to fuck around with it. We're getting later in the morning. It's about to be 11 o'clock. And I'll sit in these put spreads. We're at 50%. Maybe I try and trim some into like 70, 80.
Build on Microsoft. You can move a stop to entry here if you want to secure a green trade. We breaking base over 468.50. You can get a mean reversion back test previous day low 469.5, 470 cycle level. That's going to be main target for this day trade for the reversal off this low.
Gonna be a good day, tell you.
Q's back tested 5-minute 21 and 626. I don't want us to stall here. I want us to break out. Here's my alert on Microsoft telling me to trim. I'm already done.
Yeah, that's my only worry. We're coming in right back into like the middle of the range. Plenty of spots that we could reject, so I'm all out of my long now.
We could just stall right here, and premiums are just going to burn for the day trade.
Oh, Laylab's still going. 179.
get into that here.
Let's leave. Come on, give us dash money. Give me dash money. Give me that. Give me that. Give me dash money.
Doesn't get better than that this morning off those. That's probably like just my favorite big 4 hour gap below us, overnight lows. You see beautiful accumulation into 1030. We go sideways.
Rivian grabbed 100 shares here.
Oh, I heard.
There goes AVGO. I mentioned and charted it yesterday. I took my eyes off it this morning, but it did just pop up to that first main target upside, 357.50, and then 360 cycle level, new high today here.
Let's go.
Nice daily reclaim of the 21. It's still in that daily squeeze, showing bullish, moving to the upside. So if it can get that move over 360, I think your squeeze could fire and send that thing higher to the 370, 375 area next. APP also a new high a day. Adobe's dead.
She's dead.
Dude,
She's
look at
dead.
the daily chart. Look, dude, that's ugly. That stock's about to be down 4% just today. That's an ugly chart.
You fugly. No, you beautiful. You beautiful.
You handsome.
You handsome.
It's like handsome man or holy meta. I didn't know it got that bad today.
Yeah, it's been abused.
I know. I closed my calls yesterday morning. Thank God.
Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain.
Honeywell's over 210. That's looking good. These Microsoft premiums absolutely suck balls because we're stalling, but Baba 170.
Bubber.
Caterpillar new all-time highs today.
So how bad is Meta today? $15. Let's see. $15.
Pretty fugly on the
meta. Yeah. I don't see any reason to buy it right here, to be honest. So
No.
let's see Microsoft. That also looks fugly.
Yeah, Microsoft is fugly with a capital fug. I mean, higher time frame as long as it holds 465. I think that's great for this day trade. Yeah. That's from what the heck is the movie where Seth Rogen and James Franco go to Korea? The Interview.
Yes, the interview.
Yeah.
The Interview, yeah, where he's sitting on the couch and he's just
You're right, it is.
Yeah, he said it's fugly with a capital fug. He's like, they're motherfucking peanut butter and jealous. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. Haters gonna hate, and ain'ters gonna ain't. That's such a stupid movie, but I absolutely love it.
It's a great movie. Stupid one, but great.
Oh, I know. Look at that stick on the 30-minute for Microsoft. It's absolutely incredible. Look at your 5-minute candle off the low. Look at your 10-minute candlestick setup right now. So I'm watching as long as it continues to put in a higher low. Kind of don't want it to fall underneath 468, 467.50 on a 5 and 10 minute. If it does, I'll close it and I'll be flat. No loss, no gain. You're just fighting your intraday EMA right here near that 468.50. Buying cues now stalling after the pop, so it doesn't really help, but it's expected. 4-hour heat maps kind of disgusting. Your energy seems to be your potential strongest sector today. Finance is the weakest. Well, actually, that's maybe tech, to be honest with you. That candle on Q's looks like it wants to reject.
Yeah, it does. She does. She does want to reject. Not over the 5-minute 21.
Yeah.
She don't like it.
Your vol DQ's fighting the 0 line, rejecting, flip negative, vol D's above it, coming back down. Yeah. I'm closing the rest of Microsoft here. I'm going to be flat overall. It's still valid and still looks good for upside, but we are just burning right now.
Burn it up.
Burn and burn and burn.
I'm at 50% on the spread still. I don't think I'm gonna hit a triple, to be honest.
Oh no, I'm letting these go. I'm letting these go 0.
Yeah, I'm letting these go 0.
I
Did you sell?
17 puts on Qs.
that liquidity sweep told me that's all I need to
I
know.
think that's low a day.
Yeah, that's all I needed to know.
Don't just we can't go lower. I don't think that we will even test that.
No, again, the two levels I had were 692 SPY, 624 on QQQ. SPY almost got there. I wanted to see it sweep and hit previous month high and then get that like liquidity grab and rip back up.
Yeah.
For Qs, it was 624, sweep underneath of it, 623.57, and then rip back up. I mean, we're talking, it came in like really, really close from a few cents. But selling puts down there, no, 100% is the fucking move. I had my order on SPX. Those contracts are already up 60% now, and I never got filled on them. So I think you're solid. I mean, you're $9 out of the money right now on Qs.
Yeah.
Like you're good. You don't need to trim.
No.
Don't pay those brokerage fees. Just
I know, right?
let expire for full profit. J&J flagging at the highs. Meta bear flagging at the lows. Amazon just hit the 5-minute 21 EMA for the first time and rejecting. I said this before and I missed the retracement on it. I think ARM is going sub 100.
Oh shit.
We crushed it on the huge downside in December. It back tested your daily 21 near 120. That thing is now underneath previous month lows, selling down even more. I think your weekly chart will take that thing back down to sub 100. $350% on Caterpillar call. Jesus. All right. What's the account balance at on this one? We made $1,352 and broke 53,000 for the new funded account. Let's go.
Let's go.
Maybe we do go up from here. Like, I mean, right now.
I still like us for higher. We haven't even hit 50, like half back of this range that we've created.
Meta just got shit on again.
Did that bear flag just send it to a new low?
Yeah, she just got shot on. $2 dropper.
Apple is in a massive squeeze right now intraday on the 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. The previous 30-minute candles on Apple, buyers present, still holding above your EMAs, looking good. Your 15-minute on Apple right now could be a little bit of a flag. It's going to close in about 4 minutes. If you can see like 260.30 close in the next 5 to 10 minutes, you could get a flag break there. Midpoint order block is 261.06 for target above.
Heat map's just a Christmas tree this morning. Energy's quite green. Industrials, utilities. Josh, MasterCard is getting smoked.
Disgusting.
Still going sideways now. It's 11:12. We've had some big moves in the market this morning. I won't be taking any more directional plays. That's it for me. Always done in the first 2 hours.
We is Gucci. We is Gucci.
I very rarely end the day and I'm like, oh, I'm glad I tried to trade afternoon or after 11, 12 o'clock.
Jordy, who you lying to? You text me all the time. Said I'm so glad I did it.
No. No DJ hours for me.
I made the most money in the after hours. Thank God I did it. Don't listen to him, guys. He's fucking lying to you.
None of that.
Let's see if they can flag out. Microsoft bounce off 468. Buying Q still holding. Just price action slowing down, but
if I was to say anything, I'd say watch AMD for a long to test new highs if market leads up. It's starting to get that curl over the 9 and 20 and 1 now, finally, again. Intraday.
BA still up. They confirmed that they delivered a total of 600 planes in 2025.
Nvidia's right at or buy here. Let's see if that's either resistance or it's gonna clear it.
By the way, Tesla did on the candle closure yesterday trigger the long for me into previous week high. So I know, Tyler, you're looking at Tesla long, you just said. In terms of 500 calls, I just think you have no real confirmation of that coming yet. So that's not where I'd be targeting on longs quite yet. But previous week high is sitting at 457.50. I think move into that is very likely. That's what we'll see in my opinion. So to there, I'm bullish, but over that high, I don't know. I got to sit back and wait and see what kind of reaction we get, whether or not we try and move through that and go run through that gap, or we kind of respect it and stay on the lower half of this range. So if we can run through that, then I think, yeah, 500's in play. I'm back super bullish. The monthly looks really good too.
Nice little pops by Qs. Internals trying to flip positive. VIX coming down. Microsoft took a bull flag off that 468. I just checked the premiums, so they're still not moving.
Try to hit the half back of this range. When we do that, we might see a little pullback. 926.25 here.
You have Nvidia clear and or buy now.
Nvidia 5-minute squeeze flipped bullish at 11:05. Fired on the previous candle, looking good.
Yeah, I think AMD is going to be the winner. I'm watching it. I'm looking for an entry. I think we're going to get into the 221, 222 range again. Those highs.
City groups still trying to test me with all these bank earnings. Shorty had those apple
Bottom jeans. Boots. With the fur.
They did have fur.
Yeah, they did.
Watch MU, a potential little intraday reversal.
I have been eyeing MU because I want to get long again, like I have been every time it dips. So
Your 30-minute swept down to yesterday's open and pre-market lows down there underneath 338. The 30-minute is setting up a potential reversal. The 5-minute candle, as I'm talking about it right now, is pushing it back up to VWAP as I'm talking about it. It's going back to 342. It's in a 5-minute squeeze trying to go upside.
I just want to wow.
Ooh, BK is here, right?
I'm here.
Hey, BK. So I have a question for you.
Yes.
Do you use this indicator? It's by this really cool company named LuxAlgo. And the indicator is Market Breadth Toolkit Thrust.
Nope, haven't heard of it.
Or just Market Breadth Toolkit.
I actually helped our lead developer guy Grover come up with that.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
So So what is the difference if you use that indicator and you go to the inputs on it at the top? You have breadth thrust, and then you have like market thrust, and then you have like the advanced decline thrust, up down volume thrust. What's the difference between those, or like which, I guess, for the setup for this indicator, what do you use?
I mean, I think the big one is like getting the Zweig thrust. Pardon me if I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but yeah, the Zweig thrust is the big one that, you know, people's eyes pop out like, oh, this is Zweig thrust, and that's the breadth one on that. But
Okay. And then for like all the other inputs that are on it, do you change anything or do you leave it the way the default is on it?
the default is the traditional what's it called, calculation formulas on there. So yeah, I don't change anything.
Okay. I just discovered this indicator the other day, and because we were talking about the market breadth, and I was like, man, I wonder if there's like an indicator that someone has. And I was scrolling through, I was like, Luxago has one. I was like, interesting.
One I will look at, other than the Zweig, is the advanced decline thrust Whaley. That one's pretty cool too. You can see that one flipped January 5th on the SPX. That one flipped to the upside.
Do you use it on multiple time frames, or do you only use it like on a specific time frame?
I only look at it on the daily.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not familiar enough with how the calculation breaks up, but I think the daily is the kind of the point of reference for most of these thrusts.
This boy thrusting everywhere.
Oh man, it's thrust.
In thrust, we trust.
Mm.
Ooh, I like it.
I definitely trust my thrust.
Mm.
If you go to IWM Daily, the last time there was a thrust, it was Thursday, April 24th, 2025. And that is when IWM was around $192, $193. The stock has never seen that since then. And now it's at 262 on the daily. That looks good. The one before that was...
So thrust basically just equals sell everything and buy the market. Sell everything you own and buy the market.
When
What you're telling me.
What do you know what triggers the indicator to put the thrust on there, BK?
Yeah, hold on. Let me pull up all the things that have to be hit for it.
I wonder, it might tell me that, honestly, if I go here and go to about this script. I'm sure it's in there.
So, oversold market breadth needs to be in an oversold state. So, it's like being below 40%. And then it has to go from 40% to over 61.5% in a 10-day period.
Okay. So your breadth thrust is the number of advancing.
It's the rapid shift.
Plus number of declining is your breadth thrust.
On IWM, if you have the divergences on, you can see we printed a divergence on October 27th on IWM. That was 252. And then we went down over a month, down to 229. So
Yeah, I see that. It was putting lower highs on it since July. And then, yeah, October, right near the almost October double top ish area up there near that 252. And then a good sell off right there. I have RSI turned on as well. Same exact thing. It was showing bearish divergence that entire time. And then, see, this is the reason why I like this indicator, because then your MACD flipped bearish in September, and then a squeeze started to form the second week in October, and it flipped bearish the first week of November, which by that time, RSI bearish divergence had lost the neutral level 50, went lower. The breadth rest indicator went from green to red after the divergence. Again, MACD was still red, and that's when the stock was mid 240s. And I mean, stock went down to, 229. That's interesting. I like that. I just always hear you guys talk about the market breadth and stuff. So I was like, let me look into this, see if there's something I can monitor. So I like including that on my higher time frame charts.
By the way, IWM not looking good, and I think we may actually turn down here.
SPY rejected your 48 or 50 EMA on the intraday. Qs, that looks like equilibrium. If you draw your fib from high of day to low of day, your 50% retracement was at like 626.65, and it hit 626.63. SPY would have to bounce right here. This would be your higher low from the lows from earlier. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Shit is right.
Damn.
Yeah, we didn't look good there.
Slappy.
Dude, I guarantee you, is there no headline for this volatility either?
Oh, definitely no headline on that one.
Just another candle like this morning.
Yeah, they're just fucking around,
They're just fucking
Somebody
around
just
right
fat fingered on accident. They're like, oh shit.
He was having a conversation. He leaned over and hit the red button with his elbow. I was like, oh shit.
Just like, wait, buy that back.
Just liquidated 500 shares. Hold on, buy. Okay, we're good. All right, as you were saying.
Yeah. He's like, look, we got a slightly lower average anyway. It's good.
I mean, there's a little bit of volume behind that, but it's not anything crazy. That's insane.
Holy shit, bro. Oh, I guess there was news. Ryan said China and video restrictions. Oh.
And look at the wick on this. Like, this is a big old wick. This is
Big old wick.
Oh, yeah. The only thing I'm seeing is that China restricting NVIDIA chips. How's NVIDIA reacting to the headline?
Big old wick as well.
Yeah, it's just
the information, so it might not even be accurate.
yeah.
I really wish that every time we had like a sweep of liquidity at a high or a low, it was just the sound. It was like the full whistle.
The sound.
I wish it was just like I was just made that sound every time we swept liquidity.
The sound of silence.
Mm-hmm.
or if it was like, hey, fool, you see that sweep? Dude, that show would have me crying. I couldn't even focus on trading, honestly.
Sweep it, fucker.
The sweep it, fucker? Yeah. My favorite.
Long essay when you hit the buy button. Look, neighbor Chris is listening to this right now, just dying. Every time he calls me, that's what I say. Every time he calls me or he FaceTimes me, I answer the phone. What's up, fucker?
What's up, fucker?
Neighbor Chris, he doing his own thing. He's like, he was a forex trader to begin with, and now he's developed his own strategies over there, and he's starting a little bit of a name for himself trading forex.
Let's get
He's
Neighbor Chris on air.
I know, right?
Let's get him on.
He usually trades in the middle of the night, I believe.
Gotcha.
Because I mean, dude, he still runs his business and works
because he trades
all day.
You don't
Yeah.
know whether it's gonna hit New York session, Asia session, or London. He's got to be up through all.
Yeah, I mean, dude.
Well, your
wakes up
sister
at,
session.
He wakes up at like 5 or 6 a.m. He doesn't get home until maybe like 7 or 8 p.m.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, and then he stays up, has dinner with his fam, and then I mean, he could be up until sometimes he's like, I just didn't go to sleep. I mean, it could be 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. He's up trading, doing something. I mean, he might shut his eyes for a little bit, but then he's back. We'll try and to go hit that.
Apparently, there's also an 82% chance we close green on QQQ from Ryan from Edgeville.
Hell yeah.
Keep that in mind.
I have not touched the Rivian covered calls, but Rivian's at $19 flat right here. The 22.5s that expire Friday are now at 85%. I'm not touching those. That's just going to expire full profit. Oh, Microsoft moving. Oh, I know, but I just checked the premiums and they are not. If you did Friday expiration, I mean, a little bit harder to manage, but they're probably moving a little bit better. I don't even think they're up near my first trim from earlier. Oh, no, they are. They're above it now. They just hit 286. Hey, if you still got them right there, I mean, never invalidated is too slow for me. But you're about to hit your previous week low retest, 469.50 target area upside in your 5-minute 21.
We are gonna ride.
21. What do I think about SPY puts? I think you can get a decent rejection at 694.70 to 695. That's probably about it. Not right here. I mean, look at QQQ right now. Q's is insane.
SPX 6977 is where I would take puts.
Let me see. Where does that correlate on the SPY chart? 69. I'm 100%. Are you looking at my charts?
Do we both have previous week high on
Yeah.
price action?
So you have two volume shelves above you. So you have one at 694.50. Equilibrium is around that 694.70 area. Your previous week high in volume point of control is directly at that area that BK is talking about on SPX 69.77 for SPY. It's 695.32. So I think puts can be a great intraday scalp once we pop up and hit that area, but I don't think there's anything right here. Q's just hit volume point of control. Oh, Microsoft. Whoa.
Bouncy?
Crazy wick. Crazy candle. I don't know if the premiums is that a glitch?
It must be a glitch because I don't see it. You're on. What are you on?
Trading View.
I don't see anything.
I see a top, but it's not big enough for your reaction. So I know it's not that.
I see the candle that went to 470.35.
Yeah, I mean, maybe you zoomed in there.
I'm just on the 5 minute on Trading View. I just looked over at that monitor. I was like, what the hell?
Jesus, looking better.
You think the premiums would have popped more. I mean, they're almost at 300. I mean, if you're still in it, looks good. Get back in Microsoft here? No, Sam. That's called FOMO.
He said no. Oh, beautiful. Spreads are at 2 cents.
Oh, yeah.
Hooked.
Yeah, you don't even have to worry about that shit anymore.
Nope.
Yeah. Close the screen, walk away,
Yep.
bank when the cash settles at end of day.
I usually,
damn,
on this
bars.
specific screen, I will drag it like all the way to the right and I'll just forget about it.
Yeah, Casey, I didn't know you had that dog in you right there.
Got that dog in him.
Dude, I be spitting fire in the Discord. All I do is chart, trade, rap, and talk shit. And tell stupid dad jokes. And it's the best job in the world.
A big shout out Wop Bender in the chat. He just did a massive run recently. It was like over 26 miles.
I heard. Yeah, he said that the other day when he came on.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, he just posted another photo. He did it. I just seen like the time and everything. He did it in 4 hours and 6 minutes. That's awesome.
That's incredible, dude.
A 9:21 pace per mile when 367 feet of elevation.
That is
Yeah, when
something
you're running
I
that
will,
far, that's really good.
That's something I'm never going to be able to do in my lifetime. And I'm 3 knee surgeries deep, dude. Hell no. Like,
Hell nah.
I
That's-
wish.
that's
NVIDIA
tough.
new highs, by the way, were pre-market high after that news dip and rip. But maybe one day.
Maybe in another life.
Yeah. Maybe in another life where I don't freaking.
Bro, let's just make enough money and make you one of those avatars. Those big blue guys. I'm in love with those movies.
I haven't watched the new one yet.
Wanatikame.
All
I
right,
think I watched
cue
like the last 3 of them. To be honest.
I want to learn the language, honestly.
There's 3, right?
I think. it's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
The newest one is Fire or something Fire. Fire and Ash.
Why is the fire department outside my door?
Oh,
What is going on? The fuck is going on? Oh, it's
They're
my
like-
Nah,
It's my stupid neighbor.
it is. It's the stupid ass net. Look, I see that bitch standing in her. What is she doing to these people?
Goddamn neighbors.
bro.
Bro, also, why is their fire truck like neon yellow? Dude, their rims are black with neon yellow trim around it too. It's actually kind of fire.
Bro, they're trying to stay pimp.
These people, armor. It honestly, it looks. It's even got like black racing stripe down the side with their station number on it.
No way.
And black, dude. I swear to God. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like,
Yeah.
kinda dope.
They're pimping.
Let's go, engine number 6. Shout out. And they're leaving. What is going on?
Damn. Shout out to you. This person still held my QQQ calls. They're up over 150%. God damn.
Hmm?
God damn.
Look, she freaking called the fire department out here. And then they show up, talk for 30 seconds. And she's like, never mind.
Wasting time.
Wasting all my boys' time. They thought they was about to come out here and go save a cat in a tree or do something crazy. Wasting time and resources over some stupid shit. All right, we're getting a little poppy. Ooh, Apple. There's your squeezy squeeze. What'd I say? I said 261 point what? Like 05, 06? 261.02 here. There's your squeeze candle.
I think I was gonna grab AMD on that dip. I should have. Fluke.
Man, see, look, I could have taken Apple if she didn't call the fire department on some bullshit and have you get up from my desk.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna blame her too. I could have taken AMD, but then I had to listen to you say that. So now, fuck that bitch.
I know. Yeah, she just ruins everything.
Literally. Unbelievable. You need new neighbors. You know, get your neighbor Chris back. Tell him to move.
Look at us cooking.
Cooking. Previous week high test here on Q's. Insane.
Casey, you wanna know the order for my long that I took from Ivy after we got out the short? Fucking 25-8-12.
Ooh. Let's go.
They are moving and grooving.
Yeah, I mean that's what 160 points off the lows, Frank. You?
Yeah, that's stupid.
That's insane.
I love spreads.
Right? now with outside of that crazy glitchy whatever candle was on Microsoft, it's slowly now approaching that 470 target area. I think those contracts are about to hit 310. If you still have those 480s, really nice slow move up. Q is explosive. Juvin and groovin'. Boeing, January 15th, 2027 calls coming in just a little bit, about 2.7 million. Some buys on Crowd also coming in. $700 calls. The stock is at 467, by the way. $700 calls for January 15, 2027. About 1.6 million. Has anyone ever traded ASML?
I used to, yeah. And I'll be honest, on that red day where we went into the 9, I was saying to myself, this is probably a buy. And it's 110 points higher and 2 days later.
I was gonna say in August, this stock was at $700.
Oh no, I got long. I was long at 680 something. I'm out of it. I got out of it at 900, but yeah, I told my friend's dad, he always asked me what to buy. Told him to get that. His exact response, this shit is too fucking this thing is too much money. Like not in the fact that it was overvalued, but the fact that it was just too much for shares.
Yeah.
I was like, you gonna learn today.
Yeah, I don't mind owning some things that are a couple $100. The only issue with it is whenever the shares are that much, you can't do any of the selling strategies with it, like your cash secured puts usually, because it's going to be ridiculous amount of margin that you need to have. But then also selling covered calls. I mean, owning 100 shares of a stock that's $1,300 a share is absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah,
That's the only thing. But just for equity, I mean, not bad. It's like I don't own enough Tesla or Nvidia yet to be able to sell covered calls. That's the reason why I own, I think I still have like 60 something shares of Tesla, but I have, I think I have like 600 or 700 shares of TSLL in that same account.
Mm-hmm.
So I sell the cash secured puts at the lows on that one and keep selling covered calls. You got $15,000 of ASML at $750 price. Nice. Hell yeah. Insane in the brain. Wallbender said, take a lotto with me. Casey trades $16 calls for Friday on this. Let's see. I mean, it definitely would be a lotto. I want this thing to come. I want it to sweep closer to $12 so I can buy the shit out of it. $16 calls. How much are they? I'll do it for the WAP. Oh, did you mean to type 16 watt bender? Those things are 14 cents. Holy shit. My man wants to go fafo out of the money. I'll do 15s. It's about 4x the volume. About double open interest. Delta's also over 0.2.
Dude, why did
Easier
I not
potential to
grab
go in the money.
AMD?
Dude,
What
I
the
know.
fuck am I doing? Oh, that's horrible.
And Intel's now almost new high day.
Let's go Intel. All right, Walt Bender. I'll do the 15s though. I'll do a FAFO on the 15s.
Sheesh, SanDisk almost hit 400 today.
Mm-hmm.
He said, "I'm in." Hey, we did the same.
Back at all. Look at this. We're just straight up. There's like
We did the exact same thing.
since that news wick or whatever that wick was that we
Yep.
wicked down, it's just been straight up.
Look at that. Me and him just did the exact same trade. Let's go.
Let's go. I love it.
Five contracts at 27. There you go. I'm in it with the Wop Benders.
Bender of wops.
All right. Q's previous day high. SPY is almost there. Look at Microsoft. Gosh darn it.
Gosh darn it.
Look at that 30-minute on Microsoft.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Look at
Go.
AMD. No. Frickin' AMD. Frickin' frack.
Frick frack knick knack patty whack. What the hell is going on around here?
Okay. So now, let's just say we get a little new high over NDX, over NQ, and then we pull back in a little bit after this big move. The market is speaking to me right now.
Well, we are coming up. That resistance is just, 2-3 points away now on SPX that Casey and I were mentioning.
Resistance.
Take out that high that I was targeting this morning, and I got freaking yoinked on. Dude, that
He
is
said,
funny.
"I got
like, that,
yoinked
the amount of
on."
times that happens specifically is like so minimal, but like that one time it happens, like fucker, man.
Look at Microsoft. Gosh
Amen.
dang.
But I mean, out of the past 50 trades that have been this exact trade, I mean, I could confidently tell you that we took out target when we got that close, but not
Oh my
today.
God. NVIDIA said, fuck yo China news.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty much.
Thing is
So
ripping.
got a target for here. This was intraday target for Microsoft for that reversal off the low. Like this is a big trim spot right here. Your previous month low retest is 470.88. Runners for 472, free trade above that. Yeah, let me send the updated chart there on the LR channel. So for Microsoft, you had a 5-minute reversal with a 10-minute reversal as well. Overextended downside. Also, again, if you zoom out, look left, that's what I mentioned earlier. It came down to the November lows. So good risk to reward. When that came in, we called out that flow as well. So intraday, day trade, there was signs for a potential reversal, larger time frame, low risk, higher reward trade entry for it. Seeing the call flow come in for almost 2 million on calls for a sweeps down there was just like icing on the cake for extra confirmation.
IWM possible W. Keep that on wash. Keep that on wash. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, lord. If anyone is still in those WDC calls, they are now $26 in the money. Beautiful trade.
Nice job, KKR, on those Microsoft calls, trimming at $320 on the premiums. Nice work.
Just frustrating. Maybe get eyes in.
Intraday, Nvidia just parabolic there. Okay, well, I'm gonna grab some lunch. Keep an eye out.
Sounds good, DK.
Yeah, I am dropping a tutorial video here on X for our AI backtesting. And so that is coming up. So keep an eye out for that.
Let's go. Yeah, excited for that. About to be lunchtime. See what this market wants to do, but I imagine we get slow.
Okay. Let's see. Hey guys, I have to hop off here. Beautiful day. Spreads are clean. The AMD spreads that we had overnight are clean. We did close out SE for a loss. That would be the only loser today so far. We had a QQQ calls that were green. And if you have them right now, Jesus, they are extremely clean.